All right, guys, 2017 Chevy Camaro SS. And if you guys can tell, I'm still under the weather, but it's okay. We will survive. I will survive. Da, 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 da. Anyways, let me show you guys what's going on. Converters, there. Then we installed, as you guys can see there, took out a full system, a Flowmaster system axle back and mid, and replaced it with a full catback Borla ATAK system. So converters are right there on each side. Then the Borla ATAK starts right after the cats. And I gotta commend Borla because all of it fits really nicely, smoothly. No problems with fitment. That's why they're one of the best in the business. So Borla, you did good. And then there's the valves right there that you just transfer off the old system. It comes with the new, actuators and all that good stuff there. But you have to reuse the factory electronics, okay? But it's an X pipe after. Then 3-inch continues out the back into the Borla ATAKs. One there and one there. Just a clean, nice, tucked away system. And look at these bends, man. It's crazy. Mandrel bent, everything. Fully mandrel bent 3-inch. And then there's the signature Borla tips that look really clean on these. Right there. Also, there'll be a link in the description for it, guys, okay? Part number on the Borla was the 60610. Comes part of 2 boxes. And there's the old system that we took off. There's a 2 Flowmaster axle back kit that he had, and this is the factory setup in the middle. So we took all that out and replaced it. It looks a lot cleaner and nicer now. There it is right there. All right, so stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. All right, guys, 2018 Chevy Camaro SS Super Sport 6.2 liter V8. Beautiful, sexy bullet, silver. Anyways. Well, we got that on. Factory converters, and then looky, fully true dual, straight pipe, 2 1/4. He wanted it as loud as possible. We just did a Challenger like this, and he's like, I want that. I said, okay. So that's what we did. And then we eliminated the valves and zip tied them away right there and right there, as you guys can see. So the computer thinks they still work, but they don't work. Anyways, continue. 2 1/4 all the way back, continues into massive 5-inch black roll tips there and there. See, he originally started, he wanted some flow effects, but after he heard that car, he's like, I want it loud. Said, we got you. So that's what we did. So stay tuned, guys. We're about to let you hear it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. All right, here we go. 2017 Chevy Camaro SS with Borla ATAK catback. Go ahead. Much better. Give it gas. Sounds so good. Nothing gives that distinctive sound like Borla does. Let it idle, and then look at idle, it's nice and quiet. Then when you give it gas, go ahead. It just opens up. Here's sound decibels, go ahead. Right at 115. That's awesome. One more. That's it. Woo. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. Right before Due West. Right down the street from Skyline Hospital. Look at his walking stick. That's a cool walking stick. I like it.
Rather have that.
Yes, sir. He goes, I'd rather have the Camaro. I don't blame him. But you got to do what you got to do. Anyways, come and see us, guys. Borla ATAK, catback. That sounds clean. Let you guys hear on the inside. Is that loud enough? all that we cut off, guys. All of that. You guys can see the piping, the flex pipes, the X pipe, and he had a muffler delete before that we took off too. All that. Took all that off. Remnants of the burnout from the Challenger. Thumbs up? Yes! This sounds so good. Let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Camaro SS 2017. It sounds so good with the Borla. I like it. Mr. Borla, you make a great product. All this next is needs his window tint, and it is done. Don't you guys agree? I don't think it needs too much more than that. They look good as is. Perfect. Enjoy, guys. Chevy Camaro SS, fully true dual, 2 1/4, X-pipe delete, everything deleted. Here we go. The silver bullet. Sexy car. Let's see what kind of send-off he gives us. Enjoy, guys.